Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In the last video, we designed and colored our character, and in this one, we're going to place the bones in the right spots. In the next video, we'll rig the character, so if you're into animation, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get back to the tutorial. To start, I'm going to create a bone layer and name it whatever I want. Now I'll select all my layers and move them inside the bone layer, so when we open or close the bone layer, all of them stay under it. Alright, now I'll pick the Add Bone tool and draw a main bone right here in this spot. We're going to draw it right at the character's waist, and this one will be the parent bone for all the others. Now I'll start drawing the next bone, which is for the body, and since we're drawing it while the waist bone is selected, that makes the waist bone its parent. When we draw the next bone, the body bone becomes its parent. Now for the hair, we're going to add some bones too. You can add one or several bones depending on how much control you want. In the advanced course, we'll cover this in more detail. For now, I'm just going to add 2 bones. But when I want to go back and add bones for the character's arms, I'll first use the Select Bone tool to pick the body bone again, so it becomes the parent bone for the arms. And for each arm on both sides, I have to select the body bone again as the parent before drawing the arm bones, just like you're seeing in the video. To draw the leg bones, I need to set the main bone as the parent for each leg bone, and I have to do this separately for each leg. Now I'm going to select all the bones using the Select Bone tool, then I'll switch to the Bone Strength tool. As you can see, the bone strength is too high, so when I move any bone, the other parts move too. So I'll reduce the bone strength by clicking and dragging to the left. Now, as you can see, the effect of the bones is completely gone. That's because in the next video, we're going to connect the bones to our image layers, and we'll handle that part properly. So if you don't want to miss the upcoming videos, turn on notifications and like this one.